Hello. Well, if you're a friend of the channel, you already know that I'm not so satisfied with this black sticker. Yes, I know, nothing to it, but I like the blue part, so I ordered some kind of helicopter tape. And today's tip is, it's not where you put it because you can see it. I think it's here. Nope, yeah. This video will tell you all the places that we should put the tape to protect. Basically, it's from the cable. So let me just show you here where the cable goes by. Here, it's another place. Here, and underneath. And also, sometimes you need to put it on the left side. Basically, that's it. So let's open it and replace it. Okay, what's today's tip? If you know this already, it's how to cut the tape. I know you're gonna say, how to cut the tape? Yes. Several years ago, I had my first accident with a road bike. And I was riding, like one of the first rides. The road bike wheels are narrow. So I was riding and the wheel, the tire, stuck on a, okay, I looked for it. It's like a little hole in the ground. So I fell down and hurt my leg and went to physiotherapy. And when they put those tapes, special tapes, they teach me one tip that's so, because I couldn't understand why they cut it. And they said, look, every time that you're gonna tape something, cut it round corners. Never leave a sticky point corner because they're easier to take it out. So always round the corners. I know. I know it's a very simple tip, but tips are like this. They're simple, but for some people, they help it so much, And for others, you know already. So let's do it. Let's cut it. As you can see, the original one are rounded because it's harder to take it out. See? If it was a sticky point, it would be a lot easier. See, that's what the cable did to my frame. And I'm gonna take this one out also. Oh, it's a good sticker. Look, here and here. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, this is a very thick tape. You see it? Since I ordered a large tape, I can cut it like this, just about 2 fingers and round the corners. So let's do it. Around 2 fingers. Oh, that's thick. That's a hard one. And now, around the corners. I hope you can do it better than me because I'm not doing so well. But maybe you're better. Okay, so let's start a new piece. And it doesn't have to be that big. It can be smaller. Perfect one, but it will protect my Brompton. As you can see, it does protect the Brompton, but does not cover the damage that's done already. So what I do recommend is to do it before it gets like this. Now it's protected. Well, since I'm here, I'm gonna protect this part also. You can see that Brompton already put a sticker, but it's not far enough. It should be around here to really protect it. So this part here got damaged. So we're gonna put a sticker on top of it. Place it on top of the other one. Yes. That was a hard one because there's no easy way to get in here. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. See, now this part here is protected because Brompton sticker is not protected. It's on top of the other. Yes, it's not the best thing. It's not. But I didn't want to take the original one. I just want to protect the bike. Okay, so now it's protected. It's not catching a lot of attention because it's all black, you know. And here it's very important to protect, okay? Please, if you just got your Brompton, do it right away before you use it, before you fold it, because when you fold it and unfold it, that's when the cable move and hurt your bicycle, especially when you fold and unfold it. Another place that you should protect is here, okay? It's where the hook gets here, and the bottom one. But these ones are special protections that you can put on, so you don't have to buy a sticker for that. Okay, protect your Brompton because they are fabulous. They take us everywhere and anywhere. Hope you like it. It's a quick tip. And ride your Brompton, enjoy it, breathe free. In the north side of the world, it's hot, so start riding again. And here, starting to get a little bit cold. Yes, I'm in Brazil, so it's hot. Bye-bye.